Hello kids, hope you all best. First we know about color name: pink color, red color, orange color, green color, yellow color, sky color. Now kids, let's start our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ba, zal, ra, za, sin, sheen, sod, zod, zod, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, वाव, ha, hamza, ya. So let's start repeat our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, sheen, sad, zad, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw.